Hear clicks? Feel your knee lock? Or notice swelling after activity? It could be more than just fatigue. The meniscus is your knee's shock absorber, cushioning and stabilizing the joint between your thigh and shin bone. Tears happen from sudden twists, sports injuries, or even wear and tear over time. Watch for clicking or popping, locking when you move, swelling, stiffness, or pain along the side of your knee. A specialist can diagnose it with a physical exam and MRI. Don't ignore the signs. Get treated so you can get back in motion.